Subway Series is coming up. 2 games in the Bronx. The series probables courtesy of Nissan. Tomorrow night it'll be Jose Quintana against Luis Gil. On Wednesday, a game on ESPN with post-game coverage on Yes. It'll be Sean Manaea against Garrett Cole. Luis Gil has pitched well a couple times out, looking to duplicate what Rodon did today. And what the Yankees did today, Flash, that's the way forward the rest of the season.
Absolutely. You're looking to build on this win today. You know that the crowd at Yankee Stadium is going to be fired up for the Subway Series. So, again, it always comes back to your starting pitcher. Luis Gil, his last 2 times, has been much better. 16 strikeouts and 12 2/3. So that tells me got a little life on that fastball again, can get the swing and miss. Quintana, left-hander, has been giving up a lot of home runs this year, but it just goes back to the same formula we talked on our pregame show. Starting pitcher needs to get off to a good start in the first inning, get an early lead, because when this team gets an early lead, they just seem like they're a different ball club.
We will see if the Yanks can back that up on Tuesday night with the 1-2 against the Mets in the Bronx. Hope you have a great Monday night. We'll see you back here Tuesday with our coverage beginning at 6 with the All Access Show and Meredith Barakovitz. And we'll have the pregame for you at 6:30. The first pitch a little after 7 o'clock. Yanks looking to build off a 9-1 win. Well-rounded with great hitting, great pitching, and a Yankees victory. See you again Tuesday night on Yes and the Yes app starting at 6 o'clock. Take care.